Hello, crypto traders, crypto enthusiasts, and crypto explorers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to stake KiwiGo or KGO token. As you can see, I have 2,154 token in my Trust wallet. From my Trust wallet, I'm going to transfer it to Catex.io account. So make sure that you already have Catex account because that's the platform where we going to stake our KGO. Okay, so we all know that KiwiGo is one of the good project nowadays. Just do your own research about this KGO, but for me, it's one of the good project and very promising project nowadays. Okay, let's start staking my KGO. First, from Trust Wallet, we will go to my Catex account. Okay, I'm now in my Catex account. Click Asset. Then we will look for KGO. Search it here. Okay, this one. Then click deposit. Okay, so this is the address of my Catex KGO. Just click copy. Then I'll go back to my Trust wallet. Okay. This balance from my Trust wallet, I'm going to transfer it to my Catex account. Click send. Then paste the address. Okay, then click max. If you want to transfer all your KGO balance, click max. But if you want to transfer 50% of KGO account, you're gonna type the amount here. But for me, I'm going to transfer all my KGO token to stake it on Catex platform. Max. Then click continue. Okay, so there is network fee 0.20 cents. Then click send. Make sure that the address is correct. So we'll go back to my Catex account and check the address. 37, last digit 37 OX3. Okay, so it means that the address I copied is correct. Then send. Okay, send. Let's go back to my Catex account. Click asset. We will wait my KGO balance here. I think it will take 1 minute to 3 minutes. Okay. As you can see, the fund already arrived. The next thing we will do is click staking, this button. Then we will look for KGO. Okay. This is the KGO staking option. Active. 120% profit. 30 days. Period 30 days. Total in pool 200,000 KGO. Minimum invest 500 KGO. So I have 1,000 plus KGO. I deposited 1,000 plus KGO. So I can participate in this staking program. Expired 27 days So click invest. This portion, just type the amount you want to invest. I will invest my total balance 2154. Okay, 0.574. Then click submit. Oops, error. Maybe I will remove this decimal. Click submit. Confirm. Okay, so my staking is now already submitted. Okay, date today is April 12, 2021. Coin KGO invest amount 2,154. 120% profit, 30 days. So the enters will appear here. Active status. Release date is on May 13, 2021. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you like the video, click like, click subscribe, and click notification bell for you to get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. Thank you and have a good day.